got beats.
Hello guys, so today is another day and it's a gloomy day. It's raining outside. It is a Monday afternoon. It's almost 6 in the evening. What we're going to do now is a 7-minute warm-up workout. So just waiting for the signal to do the warm-up. So yep. Bibay na taga PhilHealth diri nga player. Player sa PhilHealth. Dude, pwede magpa-autograph sa mo doon. Yabi PhilHealth mo ba? Where's PhilHealth eh? Invert guys, invert. So guys, after the 7-minute warm-up workout would be this. Yeah, it's a circuit and jumping jacks. We're ready. So it's about to start.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
You're never gonna make it. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable. You're irresponsible, too many obstacles. You gotta stop it, yo, you gotta take it slow. You can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
Make it. There's no way that you make it. Yeah, maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Will you fucking fight? Will you fucking fight?
You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not like a straight kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you're just fake. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore.
So guys, we're done with the 7-minute warm-up workout, and it was not 7 minutes, but it was 3 sets of 7 minutes. It's still 7 minutes, right? But of course, it's 3 sets, so there's no room for a rest. Let's just go straight with the 3 sets. Whew, how cruel is that, coach? But we're having a rest now, and we're doing the circuit, and the coach will be doing the demo. So here's my classmate and my co-worker just resting. So tired though. Oh. Kapoy? Kapoy kayo. So the coach now is doing the demo. So that's what we're going to do after. So this is first step. First step, battle rope. First step. 25 seconds.
I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters in your heads in the clouds. Talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to get
Never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back.
So guys, this will be a 10 set, 10 rounds of that circuit, and this is torture. Shit. Yeah, I've done with the 5th round of the circuit, and I have 5 more to go. I just have a little rest, and going back to the circuit. I'm now too sweaty. My co-classmate and my co-worker there is too tired also, but he's still struggling and still determined to finish the circuit as well as me. So I'll be taking the last set. I'll be taking the video of the last set of the circuit so that it won't be that long, and you'll see that I did the workout. Guys, this is the last set, the 10th one, and I let my classmate here to take a bit. Kapoy! 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 So let's go!
Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight? Or will you fucking fight?
Count it, count it. 100 trash, what you know about it, bitch, don't get it.
Count it, count it, count it, count it.
100 trash, what you know about it, bitch, don't get it.
That's 100 in the works. We the top to finish first. Whole squad fucking cursed. Modest touch on every verse. Counted 100 a piece, ayy. Counted 100 a weeks, ayy. Started off Q203, ayy. Now in the hills all this heat, ayy. We the rebels, not the saints. Fuck with us, got no restraints. Freedom pouring out our veins. Break the hell out of these chains. Feels like I'm going insane, cause I haven't made a name. Conquered, then we came. Get the hell out of my way, ayy. 100, go count it. 100, go count it. 100 tracks, never missed a week. Fucking count it. 100, go count it. 100, go count it. 100 tracks, never missed a week. Fucking count it. About to start a riot. They can't keep us quiet. Just call me the pilot, cause we mobbing out united. Yeah, we came to work. And we came to play. Work hard, play hard, almost every fucking day.
Last one, guys. Last one. Last one push.
Turning up that real shit, traps full of bars, yeah. Y'all just wanna steal this. Bottles at the club, yeah. Bass that you can feel, bitch. We just turn it up, yeah. Man, we on that real shit.
Count it, count it, count it, count it.
100 trash, what you know.
So, mo. Kapoy ka siya pero it's worth it. So, ikaw na po. Now, that's what you call workout, man. That's a 10-round circuit, and that is a 12 workout. I mean 12 exercise or workout in 10 rounds. So basically we're we rest about 1 minute at the half of it, at the 5th round, and we resume directly after the 1 minute break. Next up would be our core workout. We're doing our best to take the fats out of this tummy. So guys, I'm now going to do a core workout, and just for 4 rounds. I'll do this. So guys, I'm done with the core workout and we're done for the day. This was a good workout. So this will be where I end my video. So thanks for watching, and Kadu, see you in the next video. Bye.